Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 544. That's our eastbound train heading to Sacramento. Stations of this train will continue on to Martinez, Sassoon, Fairfield, Vacaville, Davis, and then final stop Sacramento, which is the destination of this train. Alright, here it comes now.
Do you know if the train's coming?
Yes, it is.
What? When?
Move out of the way. You'll be hit. Cap car 8302 Mount Shasta. SC 442105. Alright, there goes off your Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 544. That is your eastbound train to Sacramento. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And have a good one.